Woodworking is rewarding, but it only takes one flying wood chip or cloud of dust to put your eyesight at risk. In this video, we'll show you the best safety glasses for woodworking, comparing the top options for comfort, durability, anti-fog performance, and impact protection. Stay tuned to find the perfect pair for your projects, and don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information and the latest prices. Number 1 is the DEWALT DPG82 Concealer Safety Goggle, and it's had some genuinely useful upgrades. A new anti-fog lens coating keeps vision clear even when humidity climbs, while the Tough Coat hard coating adds extra scratch resistance for a longer-lasting lens. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The dual-injected rubber frame molds to your face for a snug, gap-free seal against dust and debris, and the adjustable elastic headband lets you dial in a secure fit. These goggles also meet ANSI Z87.1 Plus standards, offering solid impact resistance plus 99.9% UV protection. Built-in ventilation channels help keep fogging at bay, so your view stays clear. Overall, it's dependable protection at an affordable price. Number 2 is the Klein Tools 6053 Gasket Safety Glasses, engineered for demanding job sites without sacrificing comfort. A wide indoor or outdoor tinted lens cuts glare while preserving accurate color recognition, making these versatile for both settings. A foam gasket paired with a nylon strap creates a secure, comfortable seal that keeps dirt and debris out. The scratch-resistant lenses carry an anti-fog treatment tough enough to perform even when paired with a dust mask. Meeting both ANSI Z87.1 Plus and CSA Z94.3 standards, they deliver dependable impact protection, along with 99.9% UV blockage. For professionals who need consistent performance on tough sites, the Klein Tools 6053-8 offers excellent value. Number 3 is the NoCry Eyearmor Pro safety glasses, made to deliver serious protection and all-day comfort for both men and women. Premium anti-fog and anti-scratch coatings make these lenses 5 times more fog-resistant and twice as scratch-resistant as typical safety glasses. Adjustable floating wraparound lenses give you a personalized fit, while the soft pad adaptive frames mold to your face for comfort through long shifts. On top of that, you get full 100% UV protection and ANSI Z87 certified impact resistance. Whether you're outdoors, in a lab, or on a construction site, these glasses keep your vision sharp and your eyes fully covered. It's rare to find this level of quality and comfort at such an accessible price point. Number 4 is the MAGID Y50 safety glasses, a solid pick for construction and industrial work. They're ANSI Z87.1 Plus and CSA Z94.3 certified, providing dependable protection against flying debris and impacts on any job site. The polycarbonate lenses combine anti-fog and scratch-resistant properties, staying clear through temperature swings and humidity while resisting scuffs over time. Integrated side shields add peripheral coverage without blocking your view, and the lightweight black nylon frame, complete with soft gray temple pads, stays comfortable through long shifts. You also get 99.9% UV protection, plus a protective wiper case with a microfiber interior included for easy lens care. It's a well-rounded option for demanding work environments. Number 5 is the 3M Virtua CCS safety glasses, a model that's been generating buzz in the protective eyewear space, so we put them through their own testing round. The clear polycarbonate lens features an anti-fog coating that stays clear even in humid conditions, and the wraparound design offers full coverage without blocking your view. A standout feature is the removable foam gasket, which blocks dust and particles while adding extra comfort for long wear. We were especially impressed by the built-in corded earplug control system, keeping earplugs tangle-free and ready to grab. Certified to ANSI Z87.1 2020 and CSA Z94.3 2007 standards, these glasses deliver strong performance at a fair price. Number 6 is the 3M Chemical Splash Safety Goggle, a reliable option that balances comfort with solid protection. Impact-resistant polycarbonate lenses block 99.9% of UV rays, making these suitable for both indoor and outdoor work, while the added lens thickness holds up well against chemical splashes and debris. An elastic headband delivers a snug, adjustable fit for long wear, and the built-in ventilation system helps cut down on fogging, so visibility stays clear even in humid settings.
Meeting ANSI Z87.1 2003 standards, these goggles bring dependable performance without a high price tag. Whether you're in a lab, outdoors, or handling chemicals, they offer a strong mix of comfort, security, and value. That wraps up our list of the best safety glasses for woodworking. We hope this guide helped you find the right pair to keep your eyes protected and your projects on track. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tool reviews and woodworking tips, and let us know your favorite pick in the comments. Check out the links in the description below for more details and the latest prices.